A very good morning to you all and welcome to my first ever nutrition class here on my channel. If you are listening to me for the first time, my good name is Sharon Shagiri and this is Cooking with Shani, where we talk about cooking ideas for the common African kitchen, lifestyle, diet, and of course, we improve our self-esteem in the kitchen. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you are kept in the know. And most of all, do not forget to give my video a like as it helps me to grow. This is more of a continuation of my yogurt class, and in case you have not watched my video on how to make yogurt, I will pin the link in the description box below. Just to mention a few things that I did forget to talk about when I was preparing yogurt with you. Do not use metallic spoons as well to stir your yogurt, so that you may keep your culture healthy and multiplying. We only talked about storing your yogurt in metallic containers. So metals are an enemy to our culture, and having poor quality culture gives you poor quality yogurt. Also, before adding sugar and essence, scoop a bit of yogurt as starter for your next batch. The maximum number of times you need to scoop your starter from your yogurt is 4 times. Past that, you need new culture, and the previous culture is old now. As we said, the quality of our culture determines the quality of our yogurt. Thirdly, some yogurt may become bitter with time due to storing conditions, or if you have had power outages and your fridge is lacking electricity for some hours, then it comes back. So to avoid this, you will get rid of the top part of your yogurt that appears creamy and discard it before adding sugar and essence to your yogurt to achieve a yogurt of your desired taste and flavor. And back to our nutrition class, I just want to share with you this breakfast I take that keeps me full and energized for a whole day. And before you are my ingredients, which are 250 ml of yogurt. I usually blend my yogurt to smoothen it out. So after the last time we met, I actually did blend my yogurt and stored it in my fridge. And this is what I am using today. You also need 2 ripe bananas. You need 2 pieces of weetabix, which is basically whole grain wheat. You also need a teaspoon of chia seed. You also need an apple. You also need a tablespoon of raisin and a tablespoon of honey. I will talk about the nutritive benefit of each and every item before you, then I will go ahead to prepare my breakfast bowl. And I will start with our dear yogurt. So yogurt is rich in important nutrients, and it contains some of nearly every nutrient that your body needs. Whey, which is the liquid runny part of the yogurt, is high in protein, and this is what bodybuilders mainly take to have muscle buildup. Whey is sold and it's quite expensive, but our yogurt has that part, which is the whey, and the thicker part, which is now the yogurt. And it also has calcium, and yogurt gives us up to 49% of your daily body requirement for calcium. So it is very recommended for osteoarthritis management. And it also has 28% of phosphorus, 10% of magnesium, and about 12% of potassium. And these minerals are essential for several biological processes, such as regulating blood pressure, metabolism, and bone health. The whey, which is the proteinous part, helps in appetite regulation as well, as it increases the production of hormones to signal fullness. Yogurt also has probiotics, which is the live bacteria that improve digestive health. It also strengthens your immune system, reducing your likelihood of contracting diseases and disease-causing agents. It is particularly good for vaginal health in females. You will rarely have urinary tract infections or fungal infections if you are using yogurt. This is because of the good bacteria that are multiplied in your reproductive tract when you use yogurt. For the fungal infections, naturally your reproductive tract has a balance of good bacteria and fungi. So anytime you are low on the good bacteria, there is an overgrowth of the yeast or fungi, and this is what gives you a yeast infection. So when you take yogurt, your bacteria balances well with your fungi, and it gives your reproductive tract a good pH balance. Ladies, so take your yogurt and take your yogurt religiously. You will thank me later. Yogurt is also good to maintain a good body weight. We are done with our yogurt. Next, we'll be discussing benefits of our ripened bananas. Bananas are rich in dietary fiber. They are also rich in carbohydrates, vitamin C, and vitamin B6. Bananas provide relief from stomach ulcers and constipation. They also help in kidney disorders. They aid in treating piles and anemia. They provide relief from menstrual problems. They also reduce inflammation from arthritis and gouts. They also help you have healthy eyes and bones. They prevent cardiovascular disorders. This is particularly because they are high in potassium to prevent heart attacks. They are also very good for hangover relief. My friends, you know what I mean. They are good for hangover relief. They also control body weight. They lower the blood pressure. They reduce and relieve anxiety and depression. Bananas are a good pre-workout food. They also have anti-aging and antioxidant properties, and some research shows that bananas prevent cancer. They also make you feel fuller for a long time. I will move to my weetabix. Weetabix is made of whole grain wheat that is high in fiber with low fat and sugar and a high iron concentration alongside vitamin B1 and B2. I will move to my 1 teaspoon of chia seed, and this is where the true magic lies. Chia seed is actually considered a superfood. Chia seed is high in fiber, protein, magnesium, phosphorus and calcium, particularly phosphorus and calcium. So it is also good for osteoarthritis management. It is good in zinc, iron, thiamine, also called vitamin B1, riboflavin, vitamin B2, and niacin, vitamin B3. It also contains omega-3 fatty acids that is good for your brain, your eye, and your heart health. It also improves digestion and aids in weight loss. So how chia seed help us to lose weight is that anytime you take fatty food, chia seed has the ability to absorb excess fat from your food and pass it out as stool along with the fiber. So in the long run, you end up absorbing lesser fat, and that is the magic we have around chia seed. It also boosts your hair growth. It also makes you have good skin and good nails. So those who ask me, your hair is good, I love your skin, I love your nails, today you have one of the secrets, just one. I have many, but then that is one of them. Have your chia seeds religiously alongside a lot of water. Chia seed also helps you feel fuller for a long time, so you will not have a need to keep eating and eating and adding your weight unnecessarily. Chia seed is also rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals that can damage your body cells. Free radicals occur in your body naturally, as well as when you expose yourself to harmful substances such as excessive consumption of alcohol, cigarette smoke, radiation, and this is the most common recipe for cancer. So why can't you take care of your body early enough? I will move to my apple. My apple is a good source of calories that you need to do your work during the day, carbohydrates, fiber, and vitamin C. I will also talk about my raisins. Raisins have an Arabic origin, and in Arab they are known as kishmish, that help in weight loss, bloating, and acidity. They also give you better eyesight, they boost immunity, and they aid in digestion. Lastly, to my honey. Honey is a natural sweetener, an anti-inflammatory agent, and an antioxidant, an antibacterial agent as well. I am going to start with what forms the base of my breakfast bowl, which are the bananas, the yogurt, and the chia seed. The apples, the raisins, the weetabix, and the honey will form my topping. So my weetabix is done. I am moving to my apples. Done. I'm then moving to my raisins, and I just want them around this place. I'm then topping everything with my tablespoon of honey. And oh, my breakfast is very ready to eat. I really hope I have taught you something. I'm sure this video was very informative. I have no doubts about that. You can try this at home. Very nutritious, and when you have this, trust me, the next food you're going to eat, you may even take 8 to 10 hours before you get hungry. So remember to like my video, subscribe, comment, share, and most of all, try it out. Have a good day.